I'm gonna, you know, itemize what I'm gonna put inside this box. So these are all here. It's quite a mess here in our living room. So first, I'll be putting, of course, chocolates. So all the chocolates will be here in this box. So it's quite a lot of chocolate in this box. So this is the box of sugar, should I say. So I have here this one. This is a lot because this is yummy. So I have here this, and on this side as well. I think I bought 20 pieces each. Okay, I'm gonna put them together so they can easily what are the ones with the same kind. I also bought white chocolate for them, and this Cadbury caramel. My daughter says she likes it very much because it's quite unique, and we don't have it way back home. This kind of, we have Cadbury there, but we don't have this kind, like the caramel and milk combination. So aside from the white chocolate caramel, I also bought this mint chocolate and milk chocolate, and a lot of dark chocolate as well. Dark chocolate. There's a lot of this, I'm sure. And this one, Milka yogurt chocolate I just bought. And bubbly milk chocolate. And milk chocolate, which is vanilla. And another milk chocolate. Plus, I also bought bubbly milk orange chocolate. So this box will include all the chocolates. I'm also gonna put in the box this quinoa, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yeah, I have here my oats and hoisin sauce, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And some special sauces like this green curry, and this plant vegan cheese sauce mix. And I also bought tahini, 2 tahinis, and I found this very unique, this pesto spread, and this green pesto as well, and this Nescafe Gold, and this one as well, the decaf. This is 5 pounds each here. It's way cheaper here because way back home it's around 20 pounds. No, not really 20 pounds. Around 10 pounds. So yeah, I bought 2 of these. And this one, the coffee, and tea, Guinness tea, and peppermint tea, and decaf tea bags. And I'm also gonna put this one, the chocolate drink, the Cadbury chocolate drink, and this one, the vegan jam, no added sugar chocolate spread. I bought 1, 2, 3 of that. And yeah, and this one, the pakilili sauce, which I don't like. And aside from that, I'm gonna put these cookies as well. This one, bunch bar. I don't know, I just buy what I see. Caramel cookies, and this biscuit selections. And these 2, and these Cadbury cookies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. And this one as well, cookies, and 2 of this kind, cookies, and this Narns cookies, oatmeal cakes, and this cookie as well. So this is the cookie section. Aside from that, I'm also gonna put some soup, mushroom soup in a cup. This one, mushroom soup, and vegetable soup in a cup. And on this side are the lockers. I'm gonna put 2 lockers inside. The lockers biscuits. And this granola, because it's quite hard to find there. I'm thinking of adding more to it. Granolas in the box. And the Bix. And granola as well. And this one, the medicine, the patch, herbal patch for my mom. This one. And aside from these biscuits, let's go now to the beauty products. I'm gonna put this one, Mix, this vitamin toothpaste which my other daughter bought while she's here. This one, Roll Drops. This one, shades which I don't use anymore. And of course, this one as well, wherein I place the beauty items. This watch. And then the nose strips, the lipstick, and wallet, then the eye cream, and then 2 lip liners. And I'm gonna put here also the tea tree 4 strips and another tea tree essential oil for the blemishes. And here is the Escape product, which includes the lotion, the cream, and I think the spray. And then this cream soap, and this one which is for the daughter as well. And another beauty products on here. This one, these are the ones my daughter bought. And this one as well. The toner. This one for my mom, the gels, Voltarol, and the heat rub massaging cream, and the argan oil for my friends. And this one, the perfume, and the Dove soap, and some shoes here, 1, 2, and 3, and some bags which just left here. This one, the black bag, the red bag, the brown bag, and I'm gonna sell this ring scale as well, which I bought at very cheap price, only £3. These are the old shoes of my daughter which she left here, the old bags. And a lot of nuts inside this bag. Nuts in milk and this, I think. So let's inside this. So on this side are the mints. Mint on this. This one. This. And then this one. 4 of this. And put it here. And we have walnuts. Actually I have 5 pistachios. And I think I only have 1 walnut. 1 walnut. And then mixed nuts. I have 3 mixed nuts. Almonds, 2 almond nuts, another milk candy, cashews, 2 cashew nuts, another mixed nut, and this is the pecan nuts, and this one is for the sore throat, pumpkin seeds. small pieces. Okay. So aside from that, I'm also gonna put these household items, the steamer and this pans. Okay, cooking pans. And of course, I'm gonna put these clothes that my daughter left here in the bag. Yeah, I don't know how to put all of this to fit in there, but I hopefully this will all fit there in that box without the box. I hope the box will be able to carry it all. Got it breaking down. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'll try to fit all of this, and I'm gonna buy some more. Just there's still some things that I'm thinking to put in there. So yeah, wish me luck. I hope. I'm tired thinking on how to fit it, but yeah, I hope this will all fit there. So what about you? What do you usually put in the box? Let me share in the comment below. Yeah, I'm thinking if I'm gonna sell chocolates, then that will be a lot of sugar. Because people my family way back home is really not fond of shopping at all. So I just look for anything that I think is something unique. But at least, yeah,